Struggling to stay consistent? I'm going to teach you how to create a month's worth of content in 4 easy steps. Are you an entrepreneur, stressed out, trying to stay consistent on social media while also taking care of your clients or your day-to-day operations? Then this video is for you. So part 1, brainstorm. Ask yourself, how many talking head videos are you going to need? Are you going to need trending audio? Are you going to incorporate static posts? Are you going to incorporate carousels? Are you going to incorporate memes? I usually whip up a spreadsheet for Instagram, for example. I need to create 20 posts for the whole month. I break it up, talking head, trending audios, static posts, exactly what I need for that month. So I know that I'm going to create all the content at one time. And then I'm going to do some research. So in order to do this, you can go through the app. You can use the search engine, the SEO search engine optimization in the app. So look up keywords that either your ideal client is searching for or topics that are related to your niche. Good resource for this is Answer the Public. This helps you to see what people are searching for on Google or other platforms. You can also check out what your competitors are doing, what's working for them, get inspiration, and do not copy, but get inspiration from other people. Another good resource is ChatGPT. You can ask what problems is your ideal client dealing with, make content around that. So part 2, write. So you gotta sit down, you thought of all your ideas that you wanna do, so then you're gonna sit down and start writing things about it. Obviously a good resource for this is ChatGPT. It is not perfect, you need to proofread it and you need to obviously change it and make it a little bit better. Are you finding this video valuable? If you are, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me to keep the channel going or continue to go, whatever you want to call it, but it definitely helps me out and I appreciate it. Part 3, pick a day and get all your recording done. Mark it on your calendar, pick out your nice outfit the day before, set up all your equipment the day before so it's ready to go, make sure your microphone is charged, wake up the next day and slam it out. I know this is not everybody's favorite thing to do, and I'm definitely one of those people, but it is necessary. Like, number one thing you need to do is incorporate talking head videos in order to get clients. Whether that be on Instagram, YouTube, whatever it may be, you gotta get it done. Part 4, edit and schedule your posts. A reminder that minimal editing is better than over bad editing. I see a lot of people, they're not quite experienced when it comes to editing and they're trying to like make it super
fancy, and then it's black and white, and then you hear these weird sound effects like eating and stuffing and like.
doesn't make sense with the videos, so definitely minimal editing is better than over editing in a bad way. And in order to do this, I use Final Cut. You can use CapCut. There's a lot of cheaper options out there. Even iMovie works great for a beginner. And then you can use a scheduling tool. I think on Instagram you can pre-schedule posts, not for everything though, but for most things. I use Metricool. You can also use Later. I've used Later before too. And then there's Hootsuite. And with little work, your Instagram feed can go from this to this. With anything in business, you need to set for success, and social media is one of these things. Are you like, no way, this is way too much work, I can't do this? And there are people that can help you. I happen to be one of those people. I do have a digital marketing agency where we specialize in social media, so if you do need help with your social media, just DM me, email me, and we can chat. If you want results like this, then shoot me an email. We can discuss how my team can help you. Until next time.